we cannot understand. I say, kita orang Malaysia mah. Apa masalahnya? Saya boleh terus berbicara dengan bahasa Malaysia. Okay, tak ada masalah. Okay. Hope all of you can understand bahasa Malaysia. Ada yang tak faham bahasa Malaysia di sini? Tak ada kan? That's it. It's a language is not a barrier. Important, you should understand what is the message. Alright? So, apa yang mereka kata, lagi satu soalan yang selalu saya tengok di sini, excited dengan produk kita, we call it Emerald Plus Terahertz. But how this product? Because they feel something is there. Something is a uniqueness is there. But I don't know. Macam mana kita nak explain? After gets a lot of knowledge from Mr. Sean, just say you want to promote one of our products. How are you going to promote without knowing the right message? Okay, when you go to online, okay, apa saja kita buat dalam social media, kita kena faham before you upload, you kena study dulu. Okay, kalau salah message go to online, okay, then of course lah comment also salah-salah lah. You must get ready for the comment. So make sure. So for that, you should have some clarity, have clear knowledge. That's most important. And we got a few products in Nolan, like a detox. Okay, detox also orang salah paham. Detox adalah our detox bukan sama dengan detox di luar ya. Okay, outside that we call it a colon cleanser. Ours is not a colon cleanser. Organ cleanser. Okay, 5 major organ cleanser. Kita kena paham why so expensive. It's totally different from other detox products. The same thing, we have a peptide, BJ, few other products. But I like to share a little bit on Emerald Plus. Because itu yang saya tengok selalu soalan. Selalu soalan dia timbul, apa itu Emerald Plus? Why so special? How I can share about these products? So maybe you can write it down if you want, because our time is very short for me. I suppose I have half an hour. Now I think I have around 10 minutes. Thank you, Sean. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I'll try to give whatever best I can give it to all of you. So you should know how to promote. Like Emerald Plus Terahertz. Ada orang tak sebut perkataan ini pun tak betul. Either they say Terahertz, either they say Emerald. Okay? Some say miracle water. Some say magical water. Some say funny water. Please understand ours is Emerald Plus Terahertz water. The name should be clear. That is the brand. Okay? Without telling the brand, how people know? How do people call you? Because all of us got name kan? Ada nama kan? Kalau nama kita dipanggil satu hari satu nama, boleh tak orang ingat nama you? Tak boleh. Tapi kenapa kita letak nama-nama baru? So excited. Nothing wrong. Learning. Life is a learning process. So everything like Mr. Sean kata tadi, when you got the logo, make sure the logo look like the same. You don't pull, tarik, nanti become different logo. That's the same thing. The message should be very clear. Then whatever you're going to practice should be clear. If you're not clear, still you can consult with your leader, your team leader, or Mr. Sean. Get the clarity before you do something. Okay. About the Emerald Plus Terahertz, I can say one is the greatest innovation technology for the world today. Opening, you must be wow. Orang kena tanya, what's so special? The most greatest innovation products. Kan ini orang ramai yang tak tahu, jadi you boleh beritahu. So, bila mereka buat ini study, 2004, okay, Terahertz sudah buat studies in USA and approved as the top 10 technology. And they believe will change the world. That is the product we have. In innovation water therapy. So that's the power of these products. Another point I can share here, already accepted worldwide as a medical, also commercial, in many industry as a healthy drinking water. So this is a point you all should remember. When you want to promote something, how to promote, what kind of word you can use, okay? Like Sean just mentioned about, we call it copyrights. Power words, bombastic word, what you can use. That's, we get some clarity on that. And some more I can share dengan sini, also some of the information you can get from online. There are a lot of online, but in online they got two. Also good, bad, good, clarity, confused. You should choose. You should know from where you need to take the right content. Like today, Sean give you some technique, simple technique, how to borrow strength. Get the ideas from outsources. But you make sure you take from the right sources. Like today, you share. There are some complicated. Also, scammers also got doing this. Don't start your going stuck in the scammers platform after your money all gone. So you have to make sure that you have to plan properly. I think I got Azizi here also, is it? All right. Azizi boleh faham, huh? Saya campur-campur sikit lah Azizi, ya. Okay. Then another things I like to point here, like the way you can share, you can see the human before taking the water. The human made up from three major elements. Apa ini three major element? Okay. Kita diperbuat daripada tiga major element. One is a good food, makanan. Number two, clean water, air yang bersih. And number tiga adalah oxygen, air, clean air. Dari sanalah kita created. But the important part is 70% of our body is source of life with water. Water become your source of life, 70%. I think most of us know. But you should know when you're talking to people, convincing, giving some awareness, this is the message you should give more clear. Okay, another points. Okay, one question for people. How to recognize good water? Because got so many water outside there. Okay, many type of water. How can I recognize? Simple. Three important factor. Remember the number 3 or 2, 1, the technique. Three important major factor as a water. What is the water's major function? Okay, absorb. Make sure the water can absorb by your cells quickly. That is the good water. Second, accelerate your body metabolism. Your body, because our body, people worry about the getting size, all this metabolic system. So how to improve, accelerate. And third is increase cells vitality or healthy cells in your body. So you can remember three major. So when you're having this kind of idea, easy for you to convincing people. Another point I can tell you, this is an interesting part. You come to the history, okay? History of water. Okay, the water got many generation. Okay, early stage we are staying in kampung, in village. We are drinking well water atau air kolam. Kita minum air kolam kan? That's the early stage we are drinking. So that time no much pollution, but still there are some issues. But what people do, they boil the water and drink. Okay, we call air mati. Okay, we're drinking dead water because you boil the water. The oxygen no more. But as long you will be stay healthy. That's their concern. Okay, that's the first stage. And the second generation, water pipe come to your house. We call tap water. Okay, we are so excited the second generation because first time you got experience with the tap water. So then you can drink your tap water. But the challenges is to bring the water, they are using a chlorine, chemical, pesticide, all cannot together coming in. So what happened? The modern age, you cannot directly drink the tap water. It's not good for health. Then now the third generation coming, what? They said, no, water filter, water, tap water is no. You need to drinking bottled water. Okay, we call drinking water. Then the bottles, people start to sell. Remember, early stage, no water. Now we have a bottle, got small bottle, big bottle, all the office, house, they're using water. They call it clean water, pure water, whatever water you can say, mineral water. So that's the way we go. But the cost getting higher because every day you cannot buy because each one have to drink 3 to 4 liters of water. If a whole family, how? So cost again. Another fourth generation coming. Now what happened? Water filter at your home. Okay, that is the fourth generation. This water filter, of course, everything inside. They got many type of water filter. We call it a pure water, alkaline water, RO water, whatever water. Got many type of water filter. Very famous. Now everybody know about a water filter. You don't need to teach them about what is water filter because most of the people start to use. at their place. They know how to use tap water, convert to drinking water. That's we call water filter. That's the finish. Now we call fifth generation. The fifth generation we call Emerald plus terahertz water. So when you give your client clarity about water, they also get excited. Wow, so many things I can learn about water. That is the water. Now we talk about patented technology. Early stage for water, they don't talk about patent, okay? But now we can proudly say we have a US patent for our terahertz, okay? This is the plus point you can share to customer. And why I have to take this water? You can tell customer, now is the time to feed your cells. Many years you already feed yourself by drinking everything. Drink all this unhealthy drink in life. End of the day, many people, they lost their kidney, they become diabetic. Now we encourage, we want to see healthy society. That's why we introduce this product to you. So what happened? The convincing part, boleh lah, 50-50 is there. They also know, wow, this guy, I think have a knowledge lah. They start to see you know how about this industry. If not, you're selling one product without knowing the message, knowing the products, how to sell. People won't buy. So this is the point you can say. Then the next question, who can drink this water? So-called Emerald terahertz water. Okay. And what is the benefit? By how long I can see the benefit? This question always arises. This kind of soalan sentiasa ada dalam minda. So what you can say? Very simple. Everyone should drink this water. Okay. You don't need to worry, young or old. Everyone can drink. So you can see the change, the benefit, estimated 1 to 3 months you start to see. Of course, you take longer, you can see more better change. Again, depend, this you have to protect yourself, no? Terms and conditions. Depend on your body, on your age, on your lifestyle. Okay. If you have a good attitude, good habit, of course, 1 month you can see, wow. In case the body already damaged, maybe 3 to 6 months or 1 year, doesn't matter. At least you can remove the bloody toxin from your body. Entire system, okay? Then you become younger, healthier, beauty, that's it. So that's the point you need to lock. Consider you lock them. So whatever I'm sharing to you, you can speak the message, you can play in your video, whatever smart, how you want to play, okay? I just go in my style. You can go in your style, right? Okay, so another very important, the questions all you need to answer indirectly. Okay, what is the major function? This is another question. What is the major function water in our body? Why we are so concerned about this water? Last time I drink any water, not an issue. Now you'd ask me to drink this water. Why? Then you can throw this question. You know, no? What is the water doing in your body? Are you aware? Why you drink so much water? Many cannot answer. Then you can say, I tell you the secret. It's a beautiful secret. This water, number one, helping you digest your digestion system in your body and absorption. To digest and absorb, you need water, healthy water. Okay. And our body, whatever you eat, the nutrition should absorb your system, is it? The nutrition should deliver to your system. You need the water. Okay. The water will do this. And make your blood circulation more smooth in your body. You need water. And regulate this is your body temperature. Because if your water less, your body get warm. So you need water to balance your temperature. Another, your joint, lubrication, joint, we call it like a grease. In your joint pain, also you need water. And keep you hydrate. That's the main function of water in human body. So you should know how many points I share, you can reach down. Remember by numbers, then easy for you to remember, okay? Remember by numbers. Everything's the numbers. Digestion, number 1. Regulate metabolism, number 2. Nutrition delivery, number 3. Blood circulation, number 4. Regulate your temperature, number 5. Lubrication and joint, number 6. Balance your hydrate. Okay, number 7. At least you got 7 important major function. You can say in that way. Make yourself to remember this, because you need to sell a lot. You're going to make a lot of money by knowing this. Without knowing this, what video you're going to talk, you cannot talk like nothing to do with your business. Like Sean said just now, I ask you to talk about this, you're talking about other things, I'm finished, won't work. Okay, that's it. Spend time. And now come to the very important area. We talk about benefit. Okay. What is the real benefit by I'm taking long run? Okay. Who can take? Just say I got some disease. Can I take this water? Hey, my father got this problem. Can he take this water? Yes. Now we can tell. The major. We know in Malaysia, what is the major diseases and people are suffering. But whatever we share, make sure it's true. We don't share something fake. Based on studies, number 1, for diabetic, this water going to be super. Reduce the complication in the system of your blood and your body, and remove the toxin, because diabetes, sometimes you take a lot of chemical medicine, the toxins take in the body and damage another organ. By taking continuously this water can remove out your toxin. And for youngsters, they want to look slim, beauty, obesity, to make your body system balanced, reduce your body weight, this water can help. Another question, some people suffering from high blood pressure now become common. Okay, this is the one of the best solution support for high blood pressure. Proven, a lot of people, the proven. You no need to take high blood pressure, just consume this water regularly. You can see the difference. Another question is a migraine. You know, migraine, people are suffering, a lot of people suffering migraine nowadays. Okay, headache, because sitting in front computer like we're sitting today for 3 to 4 hours, what happened? Radiation. This radiation can give you headache. So when you always have a water beside you, drink this terahertz water, emerald water, what will happen? You reduce, you don't worry about migraine problem. Another biggest problem is the constipation. Now common, everywhere we can see people got problem. They cannot go properly. So this water can help. Help for your constipation problem. And very important, another one, uric acid. Because we love to eat seafood. We love to eat so many kerang, this and that, udang kering, all these things, what happen? Create a lot of uric acid in your body. So how to remove this uric acid? It's a very painful, So this water really help. Okay? Really, really help. Another one point, people always want to look younger, worry about aging. Now I'm getting old. You can say, look at me. I'm already how many age by? How can I look in this way? Because this water. Make sure you practice. Make sure you practice and you share. Don't anyhow share. So important, anti-aging. People love to hear this word. You don't need to spend a lot of nutrition for this. Anti-aging water. That's it. Some people say, I got hair loss. Don't worry. Continuously taking this water, spray in your hair like Mr. V. You can see the hair start to grow. All right. Get some good testimonial share. Of course, not for all. Like I told you just now, protection for yourself depend on the body, age, and lifestyle. Always remember this. When people say, how sure you can use this word. Protect yourself. Okay. Don't give guarantee. Okay. Depend on individual. But we have a testimonial saying that there are people improve. And some people got mild stroke. Just kena stroke. Also, you can give this water. They can see a lot of changes in their body. And in other things, is the tiredness, fatigue, we call it. Like people feel very tired, dull. They feel like a body is ache. For them, give this water. They can see the changes. For asthmatic, cough and flu, COVID-19, people are worried. Drink every day this water. It remove out all the nonsense toxin from your body, right? Asthmatic, make sure you recommend this water. If can, ask them to drink warm, okay? Drink warm, don't drink cold for asthmatic. Every time ask them to take, then see the difference, okay? Gout, gout? This water can help for gout issue. And some more what? Wow, so much, huh? Skin disease. Skin disease. People got skin problem. Drink and spray. Do this both. Then see the difference. Whatever I'm sharing to you, a lot of studies, a lot of proven already happened in many places. Okay, that's why I'm so confidently shared to you. And allergic. No, allergic, rashes, allergic. This is a common. Some people say, I cannot eat this, I cannot eat that. Ask them continue drink this water, then try eat again. See, allergic is there or not. I saw a lot of people improve. Some people, they cannot eat Maggie, cannot allergic. After drinking this water, eat Maggie, okay. So that means is what? Improve. But I've never encouraged you all eat Maggie lah, okay. So what I'm trying to say, so you should know how this thing works. Another is the inflammation, no? We call enzyme. That also these products really help. Psoriasis, psoriasis, the liver problem. Also these products really help. For youngsters, they got suffering for pimples. You say pimples, okay, drink this water. Drink this water. Continue. So how many points already I shared to you? I think quite a lot. Huh? Put it that, all this point. So then you can see, there are over 1,000 testimonial already created. You need to give this kind of confidence to the customer. Then see what they say, okay? So a little bit here and there. And now, good deal. Nolan prepare for you, fantastic deal. What? Buy one, free one. It's not cheap product, you know. You buy 5,000, you get another 5,000 product free. Why we give this both? Because many of the house, they don't have alkaline water. They have a pure water, whatever water. They don't have alkaline. We don't want you to spend a lot of money. That's why Nolan, with a big heart, give you free alkaline water worth of 5,000 ringgit by just purchasing this 1 terahertz. Convince or not? Anyone will convince. Okay? I never see anybody do that. Only we do that, bro. Convince, you see? Convince, 100%. So that's the way you need to share. So slowly, slowly, slowly. Then when you come out your video, you can see. You don't need to put all my message. Now I already share, I think around 20 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Less than 20 minutes. I already complete long story actually. But you can divide to 10 video, small video. One video, 1 point here, then. Wow. Then you have a lot of collection, right? You can do. And before I end today's program, I like to give you one good news to every one of you, because you are sincerely participate. Not only participate, the minute we announce this program, immediately, you know, the first person who registered, Mr. V. Kong Heng. I think give a round of applause for him. Everybody register, you immediately pay. Immediately pay, only wrong account lah, but okay, as long as the money not go outside. Okay. Immediately pay, because the commitment, he want to learn. Age is not a barrier. You get the point? So because all of you are committed, you really want to participate, what Nolan's Global Sdn Bhd do, he allocate 5,000 ringgit, buy of the best products to give top 10 excellent performance reward only for you. Okay? Top 10, yeah? Whoever participate for this digital training program in July month, who can hit as the top 10 in Nolan Global, you will be rewarded. You will receive your gift, special gift, okay? So you need to put your energy, strategic, work, at least you have motivation. We want to give you motivation. That's why whatever money you spend, we give you back. So we want to see your celebrate your achievement. But make sure after listening all my message or Sean's message, Mr. Mohan's message, okay, I got it, that's it, no. Wake up, okay? Wake up, and you don't need to worry about this pandemic issue. To me, it's not an issue. Don't take it issue, because we already trained by these 1.5 years about this pandemic, okay? When we start Nolan, also pandemic, until now you are in the pandemic. So tomorrow also still pandemic. So don't think about pandemic. Think about how I can work out of the way, out of the box, thinking out of the box, you know. You cannot stuck. You need to get out. Okay, now we already learned a little bit here and there about the digital marketing, but that's not enough. You yourself, be solid. Time is right. Everything is right. I don't see anything wrong here. But you yourself, okay, motivate yourself. Motivate by your own performance, okay? And still, whatever message you are not clear about today's program, still you can communicate with us, get more info. We want to see every one of you grow like a big, we call it big garden, beautiful garden of Nolan. So again, thank you to every one of you. I don't want to take more time because now already dinner time. Saya pun sudah lapar sini. Okay. I hope you also lapar. So I hope you enjoyed today's program. Have a great day. Sorry? Reward already announced. Okay, the photo. Sean, can we show the reward? Hey, that one cannot never show them lah. All right. Already prepared the nice. You can see. Can give a clap for Mr. Sean, design nicely. Thank you. This is the one excellent just for you. All right. So only this July, yeah. So I can see some of you excited, some of you get fear. I don't need to be fear, just excited. Okay, only top 10. I believe most of you are in the cycle. All right. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless all.